Hey guys, this is Ghostbit Miner coming at you from the power of YouTube through the internet itself. Okay guys, so we're in a different setting today. We're actually in New York City. Today what we're going to be doing is actually looking to see if anybody accepts Bitcoin, or if I can find a Bitcoin ATM to exchange about $100 worth of Bitcoin into USD. So stay tuned for this video guys, let's see what we can do. Okay guys, so here I am in New York, enjoying myself. We're getting pretty close to the Bitcoin machine. So here we go. Pretty weird. Oh no. Getting closer. My guide is taking me that way. Got my Bitcoin shirt on. Oh. Okay, so over here we're looking for an ATM called CoinSource. This was one of the first ATMs we found near our location, but we actually don't use this ATM. We don't even show it just because on most of these ATMs we did find with CoinSource, you can only buy Bitcoin, and since we already had the Bitcoin, we didn't need that. Again, the other downfall of CoinSource is you have to have an app on your phone, and you have to be a part of their, I guess you have to have an account with them. With their account, you have to actually set up a CoinSource account with your Texas ID or a driver's license. And then the cool thing is the first transaction fees are waived. But again, we weren't trying to buy Bitcoin, we were trying to sell it. So later on in the video, we find this other ATM in New York called coinBTM. This one was more preferable for us, and actually worked out pretty good at, you know, as you see in the video later on, you'll see how fast coinBTM works. And the cool part about that is you actually get USD cash. So that works out pretty good for our cause. So a couple things I want to look for is to see how much it costs to actually withdraw money from there, if there's a transaction fee and how much it is, and if it actually gives you USD in cash or credit. So let's check this out guys. Okay, so now we're actually taking a subway to the next ATM location. Again, in New York, everything's kind of close, but again, spread apart. So we're taking a subway system to find this ATM. Again, just a little adventure. And again, if you saw in that little video, we captured some, I guess, robotic dancers on the subway, which is pretty cool. Different type of culture out here. Again, this is our little adventure trying to find a way to sell our Bitcoin. Where are you, Bitcoin? I want to spend you. Where are you, Bitcoin? ATM. Hey guys, so I'm back. This is day 2. I'm still looking for the Bitcoin ATM. There's a Bitcoin BTM. Actually, you can withdraw coins from. So we're over here in Chinatown right now. Let's see what we can find, guys. Okay, so now we're out of Chinatown. Still over here, trying to find that Bitcoin machine. I've been to about 6 different ones. All of them are just for buying Bitcoin. None of them are actually for withdrawing Bitcoin. So this one's called Bitcoin BTM. Let's see if we can actually withdraw some money. Probably just gonna withdraw about 80 bucks. Use it for some cab fares over here in New York. So here we go, guys, on this little adventure. Let's see how simple this is. Let's see how easy it is to actually make transactions with Bitcoin in such a big city like this. We're about 4 minutes away right here, getting closer to the location. Again, the whole idea about getting Bitcoin spread around the world is having it easy to transact and make payments with Bitcoin. So this is about one of 20 different ATMs over here in New York, but most of them are just for buying Bitcoin, which I think is kind of weird, because you can just go on Coinbase and buy it with a small transaction fee. So it's a little gimmicky for me, but I guess to spread the news of it, it's a little easier. About 3 minutes away. And most of them are like in convenience stores, gas stations, and whatnot. So easy access. Pretty cool that people can go into that type of situation or type of place and just buy some coins. That's kind of cool.
Because he honestly probably...
2 minutes away. "100 feet away." I think it's in this place right here. This is open 24/7. Let's go ahead and check it out. There it is. Okay, so one of the crazy things is most of these Bitcoin ATMs are located in convenience stores. So here we are, we just pulled up to the ATM. This is, again, coinBTM, and there's a couple of them located in New York and New Jersey area. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out 80 bucks. So it wants me to enter my phone number, so we're going to go ahead and look into that. Entering my phone number right here. Pretty simple stuff, so as long as you have a cell phone, you can actually do transactions with this machine. And again, it's Cottonwood Vending, but again, their machines are called coinBTM. So here we go, putting my cell phone number in. Next thing it's going to do is actually ask me to make a PIN. So just like any type of other ATM, again, terms and conditions, you can read through all that on their website, coinBTM. Again, I just kind of checked yes to everything. So there we go, accept. So it's going to send me actually a code to my phone once I put my cell phone number in there. So it sends you a code. It's pretty fast. So just enter that code. I guess it just verifies that that is a cell phone you're using that you have. So again, I'm just going to click continue to transaction, and now I'm going to make a custom code for this for a coinBTM. Again, just like any other ATM, you have a code to get in there. So I'm going to use a 4-pin code. So here we go, and the cool thing is it's a whole big touchscreen unit, so it's pretty nice. So you can use $100, $200, $500 amount. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit other because I'm not gonna pull that much out. I just want to test it out. So you can add increments of 20s or 100s. So I'm gonna go ahead and put 20. So here we go. We're gonna go all the way up to $80. It's pretty good. So I'm gonna finish that right there. You can also take some off if you need to. So here we go. So again, whatever type of crypto wallet you have, just go ahead and open that wallet. I have Kryptonator. So Kryptonator actually, you can scan in codes like that. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Kryptonator. Put my little code into this one. Don't watch that, guys. So put your little code into your whatever wallet you have. The Bitcoin, so that's my Bitcoin wallet. Again, most of my coins are actually on a hardware wallet, so this is just a little bit, just to show for this video. So again, I'm going to scan in that QR code right there. After I put the exact amount, make sure it's exact, because again, this is Bitcoin. If you put the wrong amount, you're never going to get your money back. So just make sure to put that right amount in there. So this works pretty fast. Then you just hit send, and then yes, just send. So this takes about, I'm going to have to say like 5 seconds for the ATM to actually get the amount sent. So let's wait for that. Again, just send exact amount. If not, you're not going to get it. It takes about one actually transaction confirmation to actually give you your money. And again, everything's kind of dealt with the phone, so just make sure you do have a phone. It will send you a text message when the transaction's ready, cash is ready. So on this part, it's making sure that you sent it, so it's giving you some time. And in a little bit, you'll see a button that pops up that says Bitcoin sent. It's going to let the ATM know that you sent the Bitcoin to that location. So again, it's kind of weird because you are in a convenience store in New York, so there's a lot of stuff going on over here. People are restocking, people are coming in and out. Anyway, so here's that button I was promising y'all guys. So it says Bitcoin have been sent, so just click that. Click it, and then now you just have to wait for that text message to be sent to your phone, letting you know that the confirmation has gone through and you can actually get your money out. So this process is super fast, guys, so it works very well. Especially if you're just getting into cryptocurrency, this is a nice way to get into it. Again, get cash fast. You can use it for other things. The only downfall is instead of being at the current Bitcoin rate, they actually decrease the value of Bitcoin so they can make some money off of you, which is reasonable. Most ATMs, even USD ATMs, do charge a type of fee, so it's about the same. So that's the receipt. It prints off the special code to actually redeem your cash. So normally what you can do is you can go shopping and you come back to the same location and pull your coins back out. So I got the code right here, guys. Sorry about the blurriness, but yeah, so I got the code. It took about 10 minutes to be sent, so I kind of just walked around Chinatown, had a pizza, came back, and coming back to the same ATM. So here we go. So let's go ahead and redeem that code with a button right there. So again, you have to enter your cell phone number, which is pretty easy actually, and then it's going to ask you for your special code that you made just recently. Okay, so it's going to say redeem code. So just make sure to put the code in exactly the way it is printed on there. Sorry, people are walking past me. So enter that code. So the code's going to be sent to your phone. It's also on the receipt, so that's kind of cool. So let's say if you lost a receipt, at least they send you the code to your phone. And here comes the cash. 20, 40, 60, 80 bucks. Let's go to the count again. I just turned cryptocurrency into USD currency in the USA. How about that, guys? It doesn't get more exciting than that. Cryptocurrency is becoming regulated. It is becoming a thing in the US. Hey guys, so you saw how easy that was. Very easy transaction. It took about 5 minutes to get everything transacted from that ATM. Again, the ATM is actually called coinBTM. Pretty easy to use, gives you some cool paper receipts, and when the transaction is ready, it actually sends you a text message to your phone. So overall, this does come in handy if you want cash fast. The downfall is, you know, they take down the exchange rate, because the exchange rate today is about 9,200, and what they exchanged me at was 8,220, so it takes it down a little bit, about $4 difference. Overall, if you want it fast, it's kind of like with any other ATM, even with ATMs, it does charge you like a $5 transaction fee. So again, if you want money fast, it's an easy way to do it. And I'm over here in New York City right now. I just wanted to see how cool this would be to use one of these Bitcoin ATMs, because in San Antonio, Texas, they don't have any of this type of technology yet. And I can see this helping the, you know, people getting into type of Bitcoins or cryptocurrency. This could be an easy fix for, let's say, your grandma or grandpa to use the ATM like this to pull out real USD. Anyways, guys, this is Ghost Bit Miner coming at you from the power of YouTube from New York. Please hit that subscribe button, like, share, and hit me up. I'll see you in the next video, guys. See y'all soon.